So, the Russian rifle. Let's go to the boat. It is the best part. You can already see the boat is very non-standard. It's a round boat that fits the square hull. I would just call it half boat. This is the main lock and load. From the overlay, you can already see that there's another lock and load. So, the boat works like this. When you unlock the boat and pull it out, it will get locked by the latch. So the boat will stay in position. The extra bit down here have two functions. First is as a boat stop. Second is as a pivot stop. Although I may change it for a better design. I know you look at the stock design and say,
So, how are you going to take the boat out?
well, just take the stock up, silly. I'm just kidding. The hint is in the name. Half. There's a slot, and by unlocking the latch and rotate the boat, you can take it off. Inside is just a smaller version of the boat. This will be shooting a 6.7 by 55 cartridge. It's based on the 6.5 by 55 Swedish. It will have some electronic to enable it to do stuff like water counting and measuring muzzle velocity. For bullet counting for this time, I'll be using strain gauge to count. If you don't know what strain gauge is, they are usually used for digital scale. And for measuring velocity, I'll be using a chronograph. I already made it, but let's skip on the detail in it for now. It has two options for suppressor. One is a normal one, and the other is a flow-through one. And that's all, just the most significant stuff. If you want to see more in detail, download the model. Link is in the description. Anyway, see you next time.